Partial slopes and tangent planes, level curves and vector chains, dot product, cross product, find the angle, then deduct gradient points where values rise, max and min before our eyes, saddle points can twist the plot, Hessian says what we've got. Polar curves and theta signs, cylinders of tilted lines, spheres in row enter the scene, bounds are never quite so clean. Jacobian, calculate, change the scale and integrate, double, triple, region D, switch the order, set it free.
We didn't start the vector, fields were always turning, curl was always churning. We didn't start the vector, no we didn't choose it, still we learned to use it.
Line fields, force fields worked and flow, parametric paths we know, speed, length, unity, curvature, velocity. Green's theorem, trace the lines, counterclockwise check the signs, curl around the region's face, flux across the boundary space, surface area, tangent trace, normal vectors out in space, flux through S we try to guess, orientation what a mess. Phil says curl and line agree, surface bound by curve, see, trace the edge around the rim, this class makes me feel so dim.
We didn't start the vector, fields were always turning, curl was always churning. We didn't start the vector, no we didn't choose it, still we learned to use it.
Divergence and outward flow, close up surface then we go, triple volume field expands, Gauss's theorem understands, check the curl and test the field, path independent truth revealed, find potential, take a pause, gradient follows all the laws. Fourier waves and sine and cos, series terms that never pause, Taylor starts from center point, radius may disappoint, Laplace makes the problem clean, initial values on the scene, eigenvectors march along, what the hell is going on?
We didn't start the vector, fields were always turning, curl was always churning. We didn't start the vector, no we didn't choose it, still we learned to use it.
Heat equation, wave equation, boundary condition, frustration, separation, plug it in, hope the constants let us win. Gradient, curl, divergence, three-dimensional emergence, flux and work and circulation, vector field examination, planes collide and surfaces bend, parametric roads descend, limits hiding, bounds divide, where did all my time subside? One more quiz and one more test, calculator needs a rest, pencil broken, brain is fried, but the math is still alive.
We didn't start the vector, fields were always turning, curl was always churning. We didn't start the vector, but when we are gone it'll curl on and 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 on. We didn't start the vector, fields were always turning, curl was always churning. We didn't start the vector, no we didn't choose it, still we learned to use it. We didn't start the vector, field was always turning, curl was always churning. We didn't start the vector, fields were always turning, curl was always churning.